In this tutorial, we will explore additional table graphs available in PS IMAGO PRO, which combine a classic table with a histogram, line chart, bar chart, or layered chart. This type of visualization is extremely useful when you want to present a large amount of information in a clear and readable form. Our dataset contains data from a traffic study around 2 examined roundabouts. It includes information on the number of vehicles at the roundabout entrance per minute, queue length, weather conditions, and road surface state. First, we will create a table graph with a histogram to display information about queue length. Go to the Predictive Solutions menu, select Graphs, then Table, and choose Histogram. For the first position, move the location variable to the grouping variable field. This will generate rows in the newly created table based on the location. Next, set queue length meters as the analyzed variable. Now, let's select the statistics to be displayed in the table. In the first column, responsible for choosing statistics, uncheck count, and instead select mean, standard deviation, and maximum. On the right side, in the section responsible for coloring, select mean and maximum. Finally, click OK. In the main window, go to Properties, and at the bottom, choose the Inverse Light style. This will highlight cells with lower values in green, indicating shorter queue lengths, and cells with higher values in red. Click Next, and after returning to the main window, click OK. The chart now displays the distribution of queue lengths. We can see that on Maple Street, the queue did not exceed 400 meters, whereas on High Street, it reached almost 800 meters. Moreover, the average queue length was 118 meters and 339 meters, respectively. The roundabout on High Street is much less efficient. Next, let's examine the queue length based on the weather conditions during the traffic study. This time, select the series graph from the Table Graphs menu. Set location as the grouping variable. Then, set weather as the series variable and move queue length meters to the last field. Below, we need to specify the type of statistic to be presented on the chart. Choose mean. For the chart type, select line with points. Additionally, the information on the chart can be differentiated by color using an additional variable. Move the surface variable here. Go to Format, where we can define the dimensions of the chart during the preparation stage. For example, set the column width with the chart to 10 centimeters and the row height with data to 4 centimeters. Confirm the selection by clicking OK, and then OK to generate the chart. The resulting chart shows that on High Street, the queue length increases with worsening weather conditions. Interestingly, on Maple Street, the queue length decreases when it's cloudy. What's interesting, it can be observed that queues are longer when the road surface is dry. These table graphs available in PS IMAGO PRO allow for the presentation of a large amount of information in an attractive and easily interpretable form, which can be especially useful for data analysis and reporting.